This is a pair of late Victorian walnut side tables. These side tables have been fully refinished and restored. They have a very nice color to them. They also have turned legs and a lot of detail. As you can see, they are oval. They're in beautiful condition. They have a secondary shelf with turnings. The legs are all turned and carved with these very delicate feet. Just beautifully done, well handcrafted. These are not mass produced. They're fully refinished, like I said. They're ready for your home. They're going to be for sale at www.tobemodern.com.